Hi friends, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you. Are you ready to learn about conjunctions today? Great, why don't we get started? A conjunction is a word that connects two or more nouns, verbs, phrases, or sentences together. Do you see a dog? Do you see a cat? We use the word "and" to connect those words together, dog and cat. Look at this picture. The monkey's talking, the monkey's typing. We use the word "or" to connect those two words together. The most commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or, because, and yet. Let's look at these two sentences. I am kind, I am strict. If we want to use a conjunction, we can make one sentence. I am kind, but I am strict. That gives us more information than the two sentences do alone. What about these two? I have a dog, I have a cat. Wouldn't it be easier to say I have a dog and a cat? Let's use the conjunction because. I am sad. I am sick. Let's put those together and explain that I am sad because I have a cold. See this dress? It has more than one color. It is blue and it is purple. Okay, it's your turn. What is the conjunction in the sentence, would you like fries or onion rings with lunch? That's right, or is the conjunction. What about in this sentence? I want to go to the party, but I am sleepy. That's right, but is the conjunction. You can get more practice if you'd like. Have your grown-up look in the description box below. I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.